Welcome to Helicopter Joyride of Ahmedabad. Duration of joyride is 8 minutes. You will see sports arena at Sabarmati Riverfront. Patang Hotel. The revolving restaurant was built in 1980. Restaurant is 221 feet above the ground. It is considered as a landmark of Ahmedabad. Sabarmati Ashram, also known as Gandhi Ashram, is located in the Sabarmati suburb on the bank of the river Sabarmati. This was one of the many residences of Mahatma Gandhi. Sabarmati railway station will be the main depot for the upcoming metro as well as the Ahmedabad to Mumbai bullet train service. The Narendra Modi Stadium is cricket stadium. It is the largest stadium in the world. It has a sitting capacity of 132,000 spectators. Adanit Stepwell is considered a fine example of Indian architecture work. It was built in 1498 in the memory of Rana Veer Singh by his wife Queen Ruda Devi. Lifestyle of people of Ahmedabad. Educational institutes of Ahmedabad. Gujarat Science City is spread over 107 hectares of land. Science City lies amidst lush greenery, a sight for sore eyes. Opened in 2002, it has an IMAX 3D theatre, exhibitions on science, space, energy, life science, plants, nature and robotics, an aquarium, an aviary and a butterfly park, as well as other facilities. Doordarshan Tower of Ahmedabad. Started back in 1973, drive-in cinema today houses 665 cars at a time with a room of 6,000 people along with an attractive garden. The Gujarat University is a public state university located at Ahmedabad. It was established in 1949. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Stadium is an Indian sports stadium. The stadium is one of the home grounds of the Gujarat cricket team that plays in domestic tournament of Ranji Trophy. It is equipped with floodlight for day and night games and is a regular venue during Indian domestic cricket season. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Institute of Medical Sciences and Research is a public hospital and medical college in Ahmedabad. It was inaugurated by the Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi.